हरि ओं कनकधारास्तोत्रं 9th श्लोक इष्टाविशिष्टमतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्रदृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिः प्रहृष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृषीष्ट मम पुष्करविष्टरायाः इष्टा विशिष्टमतयः अपि यया दयार्द्रदृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिः प्रहृष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृषीष्ट मम पुष्करविष्टरायाः इष्टाविशिष्टमतयः. In this sloka, we all have some kind of ichha, some kind of desire is always there, and we are always praying for it to get fulfilled. Something, whether small or big, there is always some ichha that we have that we are looking forward for it to get fulfilled. If Devi's kataksham is there, if Devi's drishti falls on us, it becomes very easy to attain even the most unattainable desires. That is what Adi Shankarar is saying in these two lines. Ishta Vishishta Matayaha. Mati means where are our desires born? In our mati, in our mind, right? Wherever we are making a wish, it is born from the mati. So Vishishta Matayaha means very unique. Each one of us have different kind of ichha. So Visheshamana ichha. எதெல்லாம் பூர்த்தியே செய்ய முடியாதுன்னு நம்ம நினைக்கிறோமோ அதெல்லாம் பூர்த்தி ஆயிடும் இந்த தேவியோட கட்டாட்சம் இருந்தாலே அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இதை சொல்ல வருது. வாட் ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் டு சே இன் தமிழ் இஸ் whatever we have in our mind, big, small, we think, oh, this is really difficult to, fulfill. This wish is unattainable. All that we think that are unattainable, even those become very simple and very easily attainable if Devi's kataksham is there. So, Vishishta Matayaha means those desires that are born from the mati. That's why they are saying it's unique desire. Whatever we think is not attainable, easily attainable. Those desires that are born in the mind, that are not easy to attain, even those get fulfilled because of Devi's drishti. And how is her drishti? Full of karuna rasa. That is what they are saying by dayardra drishtya. Dayardra means dayayudan nanainda drishti. Dayayal nanainda drishti. அப்படின்னாக்க in English we can say it is drenched. Her drishti is drenched in karuna rasa or daya. Such a kataksha, when it falls, what happens? It makes even the trivishta papadam sulabham labante. Trivishta papadam means swarga padavi. Even that swarga loka becomes easily attainable. Sulabham labhante, we can get it easily. So then we have to understand that all those desires that we have in our mind, we think it is not attainable, those are nothing, very petty. It will get easily fulfilled. If Swargaloka is easily attainable because of her Dayardra Drishti, then what to speak of other desires? If that itself is easily attainable, such a big Swargaloka Padavi is easily attainable by her Dayardra Drishti, then what to speak of other desires born in the mind? That means they are also en matram. It can be attained. Those are also easily attainable if Devi's Kataksham is on us. That is what the first Yaya Dayardra, by whose drishti that is drenched in daya, karuna rasa, ishta vishishta matayaha api, whatever those desires that are born in the mind, those desires get fulfilled because trivishta papadam sulabham lamante, even the highest swarga is easily attainable if her drishti falls on us. And how is her drishti is being explained in the next two lines. Drishtihi prahrishta kamalodara deeptirishtam. Her drishti is like prahrishta kamalodara. Prahrishta means nangu malarnda, well bloomed kamala lotus. Well bloomed lotus. It's like that. udara deepti rishtam. It is like கமலத்தினுடைய மத்திய பாகம் எப்படி மிருதுவாகவும் பிரகாசமயமாகவும் இருக்கிறதோ அவ்வாறு இருக்கிறது தேவியின் கண்கள், திருஷ்டி. Just as how the middle region of Kamala is very soft and prakashamaya, so is Devi's well-bloomed drishti. Okay, so that karuna-filled drishti of her, where is she? Pushkara Vishtarayaha, seated in the Kamala. Pushkara means Kamala again. So Lakshmi Devi, who is seated in the Kamala, her drishti. Whose drishti? Pushkara Vishtarayaha drishtihi. The drishti that is well bloomed, like a well bloomed lotus, and that is also soft and prakashamaya, like the middle region of the lotus. Those eyes that are filled with karunarasa of the Devi who is seated in the Pushkara, that is Lakshmi Devi's, such a drishti of her, what should it do? Mama pushtim krishishta, make all my desires, make all my icha pushti, let her pushti panatom அப்படிம்போம் இல்லையா தமிழில், let her nourish or purti, fulfill all my desires. We'll see the shloka again. Ishta vishishta matayopi yayadayardra drishtya trivishtapapadam sulabham labhante drishtif prahrishta kamalodara deeptirishtam pushtim krishishta mama pushkara vishtarayaha. Ram Ram.